this is the window of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is also the part of Microsoft Office. PowerPoint is used to create presentation. As presentation is a sequential collection of electronic slides, and these are slides in front of you where you write your text like computer, and you can format your text by using format tab, font tab. Select this one. You can change, you can use different type of format, you can use different type of color on the text. Okay, you can increase the size of text by using increase text tab, increase text command. Okay, in home tab and in home tab you will see a new slide command. When you click on new slide command, it shows different type of layouts. You can choose the layouts according to your presentation, whatever you want in your layouts. Like blank, if you want a front page as a picture, you can use blank. First is computer, we can move it. I want to give on this slide a presentation image, front page of this presentation. For this, insert, go to the insert and insert a picture from device or online. What is our topic? Our topic is computer. Write topic here. Then search. You can take any one image and insert. You can also select the images from your device. This is the first picture as a slide, blank layout. It is a blank layout. In blank layout you can give and other is a click subtitle or title. Subtitle means here we can write input, output. This type of points we can give. We can use alignment from the home tab. These are the alignments. आप ये सब जो है अलाइनमेंट्स, फॉन्ट यूज, फॉन्ट कलर यूज, फॉन्ट साइज यूज, या आप हर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के एवरी एप्लीकेशन गिव यू दीज ऑल कमांड्स. जितने भी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के एप्लीकेशन है आपको ये सब कमांड्स देते हैं. बेसिक सबका सेम होता है. मीन्स रिबन्स में ग्रुप्स चेंज हो जाते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू सॉफ्टवेयर, बट कुछ कमांड सेम होती है. ओके, वी कैन यूज बुलेट हेयर like this and also change the type of font. I want to use this one, and also change the type of color like this. Okay, now if you want to insert more than two image, we can use as a comparison. I want to use here as a comparison two slides. Input and output comparison I want here. Then I will select the slide like where I can insert input and output images. Here I give the title input device, and here I will give output device. Okay, and here I insert the image. Input device enter. It show all the input device. We can choose mouse here.